Hello, guys. I will show you the Copybara project. This is a peer-to-peer and fully decentralized web application that allows you to make calls to each other without using a server. So we don't have a server. We don't use a Stan server or Torn server, and we do not use a signaling server. And this is all possible with a bit of a blockchain magic, and also with the Stacks public network, which is a peer-to-peer network that is running on top of the internet. You can read about the project here on the GitHub, and we also deployed it here on copybara.stacks.io. So how it works? We have two IDs here. These are Aleph Zero IDs. Aleph Zero ID is a decentralized name system. It can be used for domain names, but you can also associate any string with this ID. And here we have registered two IDs. One is Stacks and another is Copybara. And here you can see this registration records, and a particular record that we are interested in is called Stacks ID. And Stacks ID is a public key of the node in Stacks network. We use public keys as a replacement for the addresses, as a means of routing, etc., etc. So this is our way of dealing with all sorts of IP address spoofing attacks or name spoofing attacks. So we use public keys. There is no way to spoof them, and instead of real addresses, we use dynamic addresses. And also we have since we don't have a signaling server, we have a Discord. We will use Discord to exchange the links. That should bring us like that should replace us the signaling server. Also, what do you else need for this to work? You also need to download our MCC HTTP server. It's included in the repository with Copybara. It runs always on the same address with the same port. Don't change it. It doesn't need to be HTTPS because it runs locally, and the only thing it does it exports some functionality from MCC network. And another component is, of course, MCC network. It's our name for Stacks public network, and you can see how it run, how you can run it here. It's available for free. You have to register with Stacks and get your free network certificate. And now I will show you how it works. We type the addresses, we push the dial button, then we copy the request link and send it over the channel. It doesn't need to be safe because this message includes public keys and you can't spoof them easily. Now I will go to another laptop and just open the link. Okay, we have the confirmation link, which appears right when you open it. And now we accept our call. And as you can see, we have the picture and we also have the sound. That's it. Thank you for your attention.